Welcome to the auditing section of the summer intensive program. I'm going to give you a high-level snapshot of auditing, and I'm going to do it in 1 week. Now, don't worry, that sounds like a tall order, but we're going to keep it simple. We're going to keep it common sense. I'm going to give you a framework that I believe you can understand and internalize, and then you can take it with you into your audit class or into your tax practice. So during this session, we're going to talk about what auditing is. We'll talk about the components of an audit, and we'll go over the course outline. We'll start on Monday morning, and for the first 45-minute session, we're going to do the whole course. I'm going to teach you auditing. But then again, for the rest of the week, we're going to retrace all those steps. My name is John Owens. I have been a professor at USC for the last 14 years. I overlap that with a 38-year career at KPMG, primarily in audit. Some years I was in supply chain consulting, so I've seen a variety of practices. My goal in this class is to teach you business concepts, is to take business concepts that we use in auditing and teach those to you and teach you the common sense that we have to use in applying those concepts to auditing. I don't want you memorizing in this class. I want you thinking, and I want you participating. So what's auditing all about? It's about evidence. It's about gathering evidence, evidence to support an opinion. Who benefits from an audit? Who relies on the financial statements? What kinds of decisions are made based on financial statements? As auditors, we represent all of the users of the financial statements. You have a homework assignment for Monday morning, and on that, you're going to talk about users of the financial statements. I want you to really think about who those users are and why each one cares about the financial statements, and be ready to talk about that on Monday. And which users will use this particular set of financial statements? We care about who the expected users are for any given set of financial statements. That drives our audit strategy. Now, when we audit, we're looking to issue an opinion on the financial statements, and normally that opinion is that the financial statements are fairly stated. What does that mean? What does fairly stated mean? Does it mean they're correct? Does it mean that they can be used to predict the future? Think about that also for our first session on Monday morning. Now, we all like rules. We'd like to be able to look on page 326 and find out what the audit procedures are. But auditing doesn't work that way. Auditing is about judgment. There are some rules, we like rules, but really it's judgments that it's all about. It's about strategy. And we're going to follow a strategy that we have developed. We're going to, within that strategy, use a number of different types of work, different types of test work, different types of analyses to support our opinion. Now, that strategy for any given company is impacted by the company itself, its business operations, its level of success, the industry that it's in, the environment that it's in, the year that it's having. And from year to year, the strategy for one company can change. So in this class, I want you to learn to be a thinker. I want you to be comfortable developing a subjective strategy, knowing that there's not one right answer. And I don't want you to try to be a memorizer. So I look forward to working with you this week, and welcome to the class.